Cooling by the door, I used to chase a distant view. Now I'm waking up to you. All the noise I held so tight fades into a quieter kind of light. Love what you have, right where you stand. In the simple stuff. City hum like a gentle song. Nothing here feels rushed or wrong. Used to think I'd missed my turn. Now I see there's more. Just a life that feels like me. All the gold I couldn't see was already here quietly. Love what you have, right where you stand. No more reaching for another land. Here in the present, I understand everything I needed was close at hand. Love what you have, let it be enough. There's a steady beauty in the simple stuff. Soft as a whisper, clear as a truth. I was searching for more, found it in you. Smiles behind me, I let them fade. White sky hums like a promise made. Every road I wandered pulled me through. Fragments of a life I wore every silence like a coat. Held the weight of words I never spoke. Now the wind don't question where I've been. It just lets me breathe again. There's a stillness calling out my name. Not a place, not a face, not a flame. I am home in the space I couldn't see, in the quiet that was waiting for me. Not a door, not a light, but a feeling I don't have to fight. All the miles fall out of my bones. I don't need a road, no. I am home, I am home. I am home. Old ghosts fade in the open air, lose their shape when I stop the where every shadow softens in the sun. Every ending folds into one. I don't chase what I used to chase. Time don't move at the same old pace. There's a rhythm underneath my skin that I'm finally listening. No walls, no keys, no lines to trace. No one could ever hold this place. It was breathing under every doubt. I just had to let it out. I am home in the air I breathe, in the truth I don't have to leave. Not a road, not a past to outrun, just a life that's finally begun. All the miles fall out of my bones. I was never alone. I am home. I am home.
Walking past the old bakery, a morning light once caught your hair. The sense of rain on top of stone mingles with memories I can't repair. I trace the path we used to know, past windows reflecting what I can't let go. 'Cause every breeze that passes by carries fragments of goodbye, like perfume in the air tonight, leading me back to our time. Your fragrance haunts these lonely streets, a ghost I chase but cannot meet. Through alleyways and memories sweet, your presence lingers incomplete. The flower shop where you'd always pause still blooms with roses, jasmine, pine. Now each breath of summer air just leaves me searching line by line. Through chapters of our story lost, while seasons change and pathways cross, the scent grows stronger as I roam through places we once called our home. Each corner holds a piece of you and fragments of your sweet perfume. And I know that you're not coming back. The air still holds you close, and I feel every trace you left behind, like a map I can't erase. Your fragrance haunts these lonely streets, a ghost I chase but cannot see. Through alleyways and memories sweet, your presence lingers incomplete. The autumn wind carries something familiar, the these trees at first, but this time I let it pass me by.
I saw the way you looked at her like she lit a match inside your chest. Don't bother telling me it's harmless. I've memorized your worst and best. Your coat still smelled like winter air and something sweet that wasn't mine. You came home late with lips half tucked behind a crooked silent lie. So don't say her name, I already know. I watched it happen, soft and slow. The way your fingers brushed her wrist, like I was someone you could miss. Hope she tastes the guilt you hid, 'cause I was that girl you kissed before you